Good day, everyone. Welcome to the NTV, and you are watching NTV News, your source for exclusive news and entertainment. This is Bikas bringing you today's top stories from India and around the world, and the time is exactly 9:30. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has become India's longest continuously serving, democratically elected leader. Following this milestone, congratulations have poured in from world leaders who praised his governance, global influence, and strong support for the Global South. Global leaders described this achievement as a clear sign of the trust Indian voters have placed in him. They also highlighted the major progress India has made over the past 10 years under his leadership. Among the first to congratulate Prime Minister Modi was Sri Lankan President Anura Kumara Dissanayake. In a letter dated June 8, President Dissanayake extended his wishes on behalf of the Sri Lankan government and its people. He called the achievement a testament to the continuous trust in Modi's leadership, noting that India's economic and social growth over the last decade has inspired neighboring nations, including Sri Lanka. In a major development, Trinamool Congress MP Sushmita Dev has resigned from the Rajya Sabha, submitting her resignation to Rajya Sabha Chairman C.P. Radhakrishnan. This marks the second resignation by a TMC Rajya Sabha MP in just 3 days, following Sukhendu Sekhar Rai's exit from both Parliament and the party on Monday. Following her resignation, the 53-year-old leader visited the Delhi residence of Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma to seek his guidance on her future course of action. Dev, the daughter of prominent Assam Congress leader Santosh Mohan Dev, joined the TMC in 2021 after leaving the Congress, where she had served as the chief of the All India Mahila Congress. These high-profile resignations come as a fresh blow to the TMC, closely following an unprecedented rebellion within the party's legislative wing in West Bengal.
कौन से पार्टी में रहूंगी, मेरी राजनीति क्या रहेगी, एक लोकतंत्र और फ्री देश में वो मेरा डिसीजन है। वो मेरा डिसीजन है, मैं किस पार्टी में जाऊंगी, मैं किस तरह की राजनीति करूंगी। सो कोई मुझे किसी का मॉरल सर्टिफिकेट नहीं चाहिए।
सुष्मिता देव की राजनीति जारी रहेगी।
देखिए, राजनीति तो जारी रहेगी। राजनीति करने के बहुत तरीके हैं, पर मैं चाहती हूँ कि आसाम के लोगों की सेवा करूं।
Haridwar police have busted a major child trafficking gang, arresting 6 suspects and rescuing 2 children. The breakthrough came during an investigation into the kidnapping of a 3-year-old girl. By analyzing CCTV footage, using electronic surveillance, and gathering intelligence, officers tracked down the gang and rescued the young girl along with a 1-year-old boy who had been kidnapped from Delhi. Investigators reveal that the gang operated by kidnapping children and selling them to childless couples.
ये 6 जून को कनखल में ठोकर नंबर 10 के पास से एक बच्चे के गुमशुदा होने की सूचना आई थी कंट्रोल रूम में, और उसमें जब परिजनों से संपर्क किया गया तो उनके द्वारा बताया गया कि ठोकर नंबर 10 के पास में जो उनकी बेटी है, लगभग 3 वर्षीय राधिका, वो मिसिंग है। तो उसमें सर्वप्रथम सीसीटीवी कैमरे देखे गए तो ये देखा गया कि 2 लोग उस बच्ची को ले जा रहे हैं। तो ये तय हुआ कि उसमें एक अपहरण हुआ है। इस संबंध में थाना कनखल में मुकदमा पंजीकृत किया गया, और चूंकि बच्चे से जुड़ा प्रकरण था तो इसमें विभिन्न टीमें बनाई गई, सीसीटीवी कैमरा देखने के लिए, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सर्विलांस के लिए और मैनुअल इंटेलिजेंस, मैनुअल सर्विलांस के लिए। तो और इसमें पिछली प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में जो हमें फुटेज मिली थी वो मीडिया से भी शेयर की गई।
Let's take a break. We will be back soon. নমস্কার, আপন কোন মিডিয়া ও এন্টারটেইনমেন্ট জগৎ প্রতি প্যাশনেট? ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭିତରେ ଯଦି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିବାର, କ୍ୟାମେରା ଆଗରେ କଥା କହିବାର କିମ୍ବା ଡିଜିଟାଲ ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମରେ କାମ କରିବାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ଅଛି, ତାହେଲେ ଏହି ସୁଯୋଗ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ। ମୁଁ କଥା ହେଉଛି ଏନ୍ଟିଭି ନିଷ୍କର୍ଷା ବିଷୟରେ। ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଏକ ବିଶ୍ୱସ୍ତ ମିଡିଆ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ, ଯାହା ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ, ଟେଲିଭିଜନ ଏବଂ OTT ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମରେ ଲକ୍ଷ ଲକ୍ଷ ଦର୍ଶକଙ୍କ ପାଖ ପହଞ୍ଚୁଅଛି। ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର ହେଡକ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ଅଛି କଟକ, ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ। ଆଉ ଆମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମ ଟିମ୍ ଏକ୍ସପାଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛୁ। ଆମେ ଏବେ 5ଟି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ପୋଜିସନ ପାଇଁ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍ ଖୋଜୁଛୁ। प्रथम, वीडियो एडिटर। प्रीमियर प्रो बा आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स जानुथिले आपण आम पाई परफेक्ट। द्वितीय, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर। विजुअल स्टोरी टेलिंग जानुथिबा क्रिएटिव माइंड। तृतीय, सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर। डिजिटल ऑडियंस बुझुथिबा एवं प्लेटफॉर्म ग्रो करिपारुथिबा व्यक्ति। चतुर्थ, कॉपी एडिटर कम एंकर, जिए लेखा भी जानती कैमेरा आगरे भी कॉन्फिडेंट। एवं पंचम, कंटेंट क्रिएटर ओ एंकर, निज आइडिया द्वारा कंटेंट तैयारी करी ऑन कैमेरा प्रेजेंट करिपारुथिबा टैलेंटेड व्यक्ति। क्वालिफिकेशन विषय कहिबाकू गले फ्रेशर हुअंतु बा एक्सपीरियंस्ड, आम पाखरे समस्तंको पाई स्थान अछि। टेक्निकल रोल्स पाई प्रीमियर प्रो बा आफ्टर इफेक्ट्स रो नॉलेज दरकार। ऑन कैमेरा रोल्स पाई कैमेरा आगरे काम करिबार एक्सपीरियंस एक बड़ो एडवांटेज। भाषा विषय रे आपणंकु ओडिया, हिंदी ओ इंग्लिश मध्यरु अति कमरे दुईटी भाषा भल भावरे जानिबा दरकार। जेउमाने अधिक भाषा जानती तांकु प्रायोरिटी मिलिबो। आवेदन करिबा अत्यंत सहज। आपणंको रेज्यूम, शोरील बा पोर्टफोलियो पठांतु आम ईमेल रे nishkarsha.editor@gmail.com अथवा सीधा सड़क व्हाट्सएप करंतु 99376190039 बा 7894855662। एनटीवी निष्कर्षा केवल एक चैनल नुहे, यह एक प्लेटफॉर्म जेउठी आपणको टैलेंट को सठिक सुजोग मिलिबो। आसंतु आम टीम रो एक गुरुत्वपूर्ण अंश हुअंतु। आमे आपणके आपणको सह कथा हेबाकू अपेक्षारत। धन्यवाद। Welcome once again. The word Dham has been removed from Digha. The sentiments of crores of Jagannath lovers have been respected. After the word Dham was removed from the Digha project in West Bengal, ISKCON's Rath Yatra controversy has now become a topic of discussion across the state. The decision to withdraw the word Dham from the Digha project, respecting the sentiments of crores of Jagannath lovers, is being called a victory for Mahaprabhu's culture and classical tradition. But even after this controversy has stopped, ISKCON's whims continue. According to the scriptures and the tradition of the temple, there is a tradition of organizing Mahaprabhu's Rath Yatra only on the second tithi of Asadha Shukla. But ISKCON is completely ignoring this tradition and is conducting Rath Yatra on non-tithihi in various foreign cities like America, Germany and Canada. Even though the Gajapati Maharaja and the temple administration have taken a strict stand on this, there is no stopping this stubborn attitude of ISKCON. In such a situation, after the word Dham was removed from the Digha project, now Jagannath devotees all over the world are waiting to see when the brakes will be put on ISKCON's Rath Yatra. As political debate intensifies in the state over delayed social security pensions, Bhograi MLA Gautam Budh Das has taken a significant step. In a letter to Chief Minister Mohan Majhi, the lawmaker announced that he will refuse his MLA allowance until 22 lakh beneficiaries across the state receive their pending dues. Here is a detailed report. According to the MLA, nearly 22 lakh beneficiaries, including the elderly, widows, persons with disabilities, and marginalized groups, have not received their monthly social security pensions for the last 3 months. Despite extreme heat, these individuals are visiting banks, panchayats, and block offices every day, only to return empty-handed. The delay has left many unable to afford essential life-saving medicines. Moved by their struggles, MLA Gautam Budh Das has requested the Chief Minister to withhold his salary until these 22 lakh citizens receive their dues. He also questioned the government's response, asking how long the administration would remain silent and dismiss this critical issue as a mere technical glitch. A motorcyclist was critically injured on today after being hit by an Ama bus near Shreya Chak in Bhubaneswar. The accident occurred when the bus collided with the motorcycle, leaving the rider with severe injuries. The injured youth was quickly rescued and rushed to Capital Hospital for treatment. Following the incident, the Commissionerate Police arrived at the scene to investigate the cause of the collision. Officers have seized the bus and further investigation is currently underway. Let's take a break. We will be back soon. नमस्कार, आपण कोण मीडिया ओ एंटरटेनमेंट जगत प्रति पैशनेट? ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭିତରେ ଯଦି କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିବାର, କ୍ୟାମେରା ଆଗରେ କଥା କହିବାର କିମ୍ବା ଡିଜିଟାଲ ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମରେ କାମ କରିବାର ଇଚ୍ଛା ଅଛି, ତାହେଲେ ଏହି ସୁଯୋଗ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ। ମୁଁ କଥା ହେଉଛି ଏନ୍ଟିଭି ନିଷ୍କର୍ଷା ବିଷୟରେ। ଓଡ଼ିଶାର ଏକ ବିଶ୍ୱସ୍ତ ମିଡିଆ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ, ଯାହା ୟୁଟ୍ୟୁବ, ଟେଲିଭିଜନ ଏବଂ ଓଟିଟି ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମରେ ଲକ୍ଷ ଲକ୍ଷ ଦର୍ଶକଙ୍କ ପାଖ ପହଞ୍ଚୁଅଛି। ଆମ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲର ହେଡକ୍ୱାର୍ଟର ଅଛି କଟକ, ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ। ଆଉ ଆମେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମ ଟିମ୍ ଏକ୍ସପ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛୁ। ଆମେ ଏବେ 5ଟି ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ପୋଜିସନ୍ ପାଇଁ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡିଡେଟ୍ ଖୋଜୁଛୁ। ପ୍ରଥମ, ଭିଡିଓ ଏଡିଟର। ପ୍ରିମିୟର ପ୍ରୋ ବା ଆଫ୍ଟର ଏଫେକ୍ଟସ୍ ଜାଣୁଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ଆମ ପାଇଁ ପରଫେକ୍ଟ। ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ, ଗ୍ରାଫିକ୍ ଡିଜାଇନର। ଭିଜୁଆଲ ଷ୍ଟୋରି ଟେଲିଂ ଜାଣୁଥିବା କ୍ରିଏଟିଭ୍ ମାଇଣ୍ଡ। ତୃତୀୟ, ସୋସିଆଲ ମିଡିଆ ମ୍ୟାନେଜର। ଡିଜିଟାଲ ଅଡିଏନ୍ସ ବୁଝୁଥିବା ଏବଂ ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମ ଗ୍ରୋ କରିପାରୁଥିବା ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି। ଚତୁର୍ଥ, କପି ଏଡିଟର କମ୍ ଆଙ୍କର, ଯିଏ ଲେଖା ବି ଜାଣନ୍ତି, କ୍ୟାମେରା ଆଗରେ ବି କନଫିଡେଣ୍ଟ। ଏବଂ ପଞ୍ଚମ, କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ କ୍ରିଏଟର ଓ ଆଙ୍କର। ନିଜ ଆଇଡିଆ ଦ୍ୱାରା କଣ୍ଟେଣ୍ଟ ତିଆରି କରି ଅନ୍ କ୍ୟାମେରା ପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିପାରୁଥିବା ଟ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି। କ୍ୱାଲିଫିକେସନ ବିଷୟରେ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ, ଫ୍ରେଶର ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ବା ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସଡ, ଆମ ପାଖରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସ୍ଥାନ ଅଛି। ଟେକ୍ନିକାଲ ରୋଲ୍ସ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରିମିୟର ପ୍ରୋ ବା ଆଫ୍ଟର ଏଫେକ୍ଟସର ନଲେଜ ଦରକାର। ଅନ୍ କ୍ୟାମେରା ରୋଲ୍ସ ପାଇଁ କ୍ୟାମେରା ଆଗରେ କାମ କରିବାର ଏକ୍ସପିରିଏନ୍ସ ଏକ ବଡ଼ ଆଡଭାଣ୍ଟେଜ। ଭାଷା ବିଷୟରେ, ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଓଡ଼ିଆ, ହିନ୍ଦୀ ଓ ଇଂଲିଶ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଅତି କମରେ 2ଟି ଭାଷା ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଜାଣିବା ଦରକାର। ଯେଉଁମାନେ ଅଧିକ ଭାଷା ଜାଣନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରାୟୋରିଟି ମିଳିବ। ଆବେଦନ କରିବା ଅତ୍ୟନ୍ତ ସହଜ। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ରେଜ୍ୟୁମ୍, ଶୋରିଲ୍ ବା ପୋର୍ଟଫୋଲିଓ ପଠାନ୍ତୁ ଆମ ଇମେଲରେ nishkarsha.editor@gmail.com ଅଥବା ସିଧାସଳଖ ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସଆପ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ 9937619039 ବା 7894855662। ଏନ୍ଟିଭି ନିଷ୍କର୍ଷା କେବଳ ଏକ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ ନୁହେଁ, ଏହା ଏକ ପ୍ଲାଟଫର୍ମ ଯେଉଁଠି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଟ୍ୟାଲେଣ୍ଟକୁ ସଠିକ ସୁଯୋଗ ମିଳିବ। ଆସନ୍ତୁ, ଆମ ଟିମ୍ର ଏକ ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଅଂଶ ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ। ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସହ କଥା ହେବାକୁ ଅପେକ୍ଷାରତ। ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। Welcome once again. The upcoming film Alpha have released their first official teaser, offering a tense first look at a story that blends family bonds with high-stakes espionage. Directed by Shiv Rawal, the film stars Alia Bhatt, Sharvari, and Bobby Deol, presenting a world where childhood is training for war. Instead of relying on action and explosions, the teaser opens with a quiet moment between a father and daughter. Bobby Deol's character takes his daughter Sita, played by Alia Bhatt, out for dinner to celebrate her 18th birthday. However, the warm family moment quickly fades when Sita unwraps her present to find a coded message. The state is currently experiencing pre-monsoon rainfall, along with the effects of Kalbaisakhi. Southwest monsoon winds are approaching Odisha in the next 2 to 3 days. The regional weather department has predicted this. However, there will be no major change in the day temperature in the state for the next 3 days. After that, the temperature will drop slightly and some respite from the unbearable heat may be found. However, a yellow warning has been issued for the entire state today regarding possible thunderstorms. All districts of the state may experience rainfall, lightning, and winds blowing at a speed of 30 to 40 kilometers per hour. The weather department has said that the effects of Kalbaisakhi will continue till the 15th of next month. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates.